Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate, guys, here on Ford F-150 2012 year, but even if you have a different one from that generation, it will work as well. This is, guys, the fuse box that we'll be working on. This is the fuse box that's located under the hood. You can see that's the one right here. Before we continue, let's first explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see how you have different kinds of fuses right here. Now, if you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, guys, for a fraction of the price, instead of going to the parts store, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can conveniently get them at home, delivered to your home, guys. So the fuse that we need to check, the first out of the three fuses, will be fuse number 12, and we're talking about a 40 amp fuse for our specific model, guys. That second fuse on the left side, 1, 2, that second fuse right here. Then you have one more that you need to check. It's a 25 amp fuse, and we're talking about that fuse right here in the corner. So far, this and this fuse. Now we have another fuse that we will need to check specifically, guys, and in our case it's a 10 amp fuse. If you come in that row right here on the very bottom right side, 1, 2, 3, so this 10 amp fuse, guys, that's the one that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.